Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are seeing modern north-facing duplex house plan of plot size 40 by 60 feet, and it's a G+2 floor plan. The total plot area is 2400 square feet, and the build-up area on the ground floor is 1400 square feet, and the build-up area in the first floor 1900 square feet, and the build-up area in the terrace floor plan is 692 square feet. And although the main gate is on the west facing road, the main door is located on the north side of the house, so it's a north facing house plan. And coming to the plan, and we are going to explain the room by room. Was the explanation? Let's get into the plan. We have our main gate over here, and the ground floor features a primary living spaces and perfectly sets up the foundational Vastu energy for the home. And the main gate opens into a long passage of size 9 feet 6 inches by 59 feet, a parking passage, and the septic tank is properly placed in this corner. This is ideal Vastu zone for movement, vehicles and waste disposal. So we kept the same here in the northwest direction. You can see septic tank is over here. And coming to the northeast corner, we have our underground water tank or bore or well, and this area is ideal for placing water zone, or that is underground water zone. And it is northeast corner, that is Ishan corner, and making its most sacred place to keep the same. So let's get into the room. Through main door, we have a living room of size 15 feet 9 inches by 26 feet 3 inches, and we have our dining space over here of size 10 feet by 10 feet with 6-seater dining room. Through the dining room access, we have a kitchen room in the southeast corner, and southeast is a fire corner or Agni corner, and which is ideal place for keeping the kitchen. So we kept the same here, and here kitchen is measured the size of 10 feet by 10 feet, and we kept our stove in the east position and water sink in the northeast of the kitchen. And we have a little utility through the kitchen of size 7 feet by 10 feet, and we have provided washing machine over here. And one more thing, we have a door access to the backyard from the utility area, so we can access from the outside, or we can replace our weight item from here to the backyard place. So it is convenient to keep the door over here. And coming to the puja room, we kept our puja room in the northeast corner, and northeast is the Ishan corner, which is ideal for keeping the prayer room. So we kept the same, and this puja room is measured at size of 8 feet by 10 feet. And internally, we have an internal staircase access to the first floor and terrace. And since it's a duplex, we kept our staircase internally. And we have a common toilet next to the staircase of size 10 feet by 4 feet. And we kept our commode pointed towards north. As per Vastu, usually the commode should be pointed towards north or south. Here we kept towards north. And coming to the master bedroom, it is located in the southwest corner, and which is ideal place for the head of the family to rest, which increase stability and strength to the family. So we kept this bedroom as a master bedroom, and this master bedroom is measured in size of 19 feet 9 inches by 10 feet 9 inches. And we kept our bed sleeping position south and wardrobe in the west. And we have a closet of size 6 feet by 4 feet inside the master bedroom. And we have an attached toilet, I already mentioned. Here we have an attached toilet size 10 feet by 4 feet with a commode pointing towards north direction. And next to the master bedroom, we have a lift of size 6 feet by 6 feet. And coming to the first floor plan, through the internal staircase, we can get into the first floor. And here we have a living room of size 15 feet 9 inches by 26 feet 3 inches. And this central space, that is Brahmastan. And we kept, it is free from the pillars. I forgot to mention the ground floor. And here in the northeast corner, we have a guest bedroom of size 19 feet 9 inches by 10 feet with an attached toilet of size 5 feet 3 inches by 10 feet. Here we kept our commode pointed towards north direction, and remaining the same. And outside the guest bedroom, we have a study room of size 9 feet 3 inches by 10 feet 6 inches. And here we have a kids bedroom in the southeast zone, and we kept our bed sleeping position south and wardrobe in the west. This kids bedroom is measured in the size of 10 feet by 16 feet 6 inches. and with an attached toilet of size 10 feet by 3 feet 9 inches with a commode pointing towards north direction. And here the southwest we have a master bedroom of size 19 feet 9 inches by 10 feet 9 inches and with an attached toilet of 10 feet by 4 feet with a commode pointing towards north, and through the dressing room of size 10 feet by 4 feet. From the master bedroom, we have access to the dressing room. To the dressing room, we have an access to the attached toilet. And next to the bedroom, we have a lift. I already mentioned at the ground floor. So we have a little passage from the master bedroom to access to the balcony. And this passage is measured size of 6 feet 9 inches by 4 feet 3 inches. And here we have a balcony in the northwest zone of size 9 feet 6 inches by 26 feet 9 inches. This north open space is highly encourageable and keeping the north side open and light to invite prosperity. So we kept the same here. And coming to the terrace floor plan, the top floor utilizes this open space efficiently and caps off the house in Vastu-compliance. And north and east open terrace, a massive open terrace covers the north and east side of the roof, and the Vastu dictates that these directions should always be lighter, lower, and more open than the south and west. So we kept the same. That southwest heavy zone, the build-up area on this floor are a hall, store, lift, and third master bedroom, and is entirely concentrated in the south and west. So we need to keep the south and west should be heavy. So we kept the same over here, since we kept we also kept overhead tank over the master bedroom, that is southwest corner, and that is placed directly above the southwest bedroom. Is golden rule for Vastu that southwest corner must be highest and heaviest point of the entire building. We kept the same. And coming to the room by room dimension over here, we have a hall of size 16 feet by 8 feet 3 inches. Through the hall, we have an access to the open terrace. And next to the staircase, we have a storeroom of size 10 feet by 4 feet. And here we have one more master bedroom of size 19 feet 9 inches by 10 feet 9 inches. And we have a bed sleeping position south and wardrobe in the west with an attached toilet of size 10 feet by 4 feet. And in this attached toilet, we have kept our commode pointing towards north direction. As I mentioned earlier, we kept an overhead tank over the master bedroom, that is southwest portion of the plan, which is highly apt for the Vastu. So we kept the same. And coming to the overall summary, and this house plan is exceptionally well designed according to Vastu Shastra, and it flawlessly execute the four most critical rules, that is water and worship area in the northeast, that is underground tank and puja room in the northeast corner, that is Ishan corner, and fire in the southeast, that is kitchen in the southeast corner. Also weight and master bedroom in the southwest, master bedroom in the southwest in all the three floors, ground floor, first floor, and terrace. And also the masters stacked in the southwest, topped up by the high heavy overhead tank, that is add-on advantage. And iron movement in the northwest, that is parking passage and septic tank we kept on the northwest, which is ideal for the wind movement and which is ideal for the septic tank to keep. So these are all with the overall plan explanation. You can get more such plans on our websites, houseplansdaily.com, houseplans.world. Our apps are available on the Google Play Store, House Plans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, Plannest and Designest app. And we are conducting 30-day online class on how to create house plans according to Vastu Shastra. If you're interested, please reach out via WhatsApp at 99520 29063 to join. Thank you.